Let your ideas take the lead with EZWrite 6, BenQ's interactive whiteboard. EZWrite has three main components. At the center of the screen is the toolbar, equipped with all the tools you need for whiteboarding. Here you can write, erase, import documents and images, and move items around. It also has a toolbox with rulers, timers, and a calculator that come in handy for classes. On the right is the navigation bar, which allows you to move around the board, add and delete pages, change backgrounds, and undo mistakes. Finally, on the left, you have the main menu. Here you can save and record your sessions. You can also export them to different formats, open saved sessions, or start fresh with a new whiteboard. To learn about these features in more detail, watch our other EZWrite how-to videos.